SS1, you're welcome back to the second part of the lesson. Like I told you, I'll be solving one or two examples. In number 3, we have solved one already, so I'll be solving another one or two for you to understand what we are doing in the context. So the second one I'll be taking is 3C. 3C has something like this. Something like this. You have this. You have this. So we draw this. Also draw this. They are parallel from the arrow there. Here is 64 degree. It said here is an exterior angle called X, and here is Y. Here is Y. It said this and this are equal. That's the base angles are equal. So if you have to solve this now, like I want to solve, the first thing you should have in mind is this, and an angle at this point is equal. You remember this is Z shape. Z shape. Alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. So we have, let's call this place K. You say that K is equal to 64 degree. Alternate angles are equal. Just alternate angles. So if this place is equal to this place, or if this one is equal to K, it means that here is equal to this place also. So we call this one T, letter T. So K is equal to T, equal to 64 degree. Base angles of isosceles triangle. Base angles of isosceles triangles. So if this is done, I think there is no other thing for us to do. The only thing is, from here now, you add these three, this. So we add Y plus T plus 64 equal to 180. Angle on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Remember, our T is equal to 64 also. So you have Y plus 64 is equal to 180. If you agree with me, then 64 plus 64 will give me 128. That means Y plus 128 is equal to 180. That means Y will give me 180 minus 124, which implies that, 128, I made a mistake, which implies that Y will give me 52 degrees. If you agree that Y is 52 degrees, that's this now, it then implies that but we'll solve it. We'll solve it. Co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior angles are equal. So this and this are co-interior angles. Or you also use sum of angles in a triangle. You find this and find that. But I want to use co-interior angles. So we have gotten our y. You have x plus 52 equal to 180. That is co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. So you collect like terms. When you collect like terms, you have x is equal to 180 minus 52. That means that our x is equal to 128 degree. That's all. We are done with this. We are done with the solving. So we'll go to the last part of the solving. If you have any question on the course of the solving, just forward it to the platform. I will get back to you by the grace of God. So the last but not the least is F. You have this. So from here also you have another triangle. It may not be perfect, please, but make your own perfect. Isosceles triangle. And this side also is isosceles triangle. Okay, this one is just the proof that I will do. I will not solve much. So it says you find x and y, the exterior angle y. So here we have 50. Let's call here another t. Solution, you have t equal to 50 degree base angle of isosceles triangle, base angle of isosceles triangle. Okay, if you agree with me that this is 50 also, that means 50 plus 50 will give me 100. We have to find this. Sum of angles in a triangle. You have x plus 50 plus 50 equal to 180. Sum of angles of a triangle. Of a triangle. Then it will give us x plus 100 equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 minus 100. X equal to 80 degree. We are done with that. X equal to 80 degree. So we are done with, sorry, there is one here. You have 72. 72. Okay. So the next thing we'll do, we have 50. We have 50. And we don't know this. So since we know this place, it's also equal to this, alternate angles. I'm coming, please. So from the diagram now, this 72 is equal to y, or y is equal to 72, alternate angles. Alternate angles. I'm done. Or if you still want to prove it, you can say, let us call this place A, and here also A. So if you call this place A and call this place A, that means they are equal. The two sides are equal. Showing this sign is telling you that they are equal. So we continue. Sum of angles in a triangle, you have A plus A plus A plus 72. We are solving the second part of the triangle, equal to 180. Sum of angles in a triangle. This is the part we are solving now. No longer this. We are done with the upper one. We are solving the down one. So you have 2A is equal to, this we move to the other side, 180 minus 72. So 2A is equal to 108. 108. So 108 divided by 2, that's divide both sides by 2. When you divide both sides by 2, you have A to be equal to 54 degree. So if you have this as 54 degree, I want you to, just for you to know that this alternate is also equal. If not, I would have done since. I'm just creating this, but ordinarily I'm done. Y is equal to 72. We also discovered that T is 50, right? So if this is 50, then we add 50 on this now, I'm going on a straight line, or you can also say 54 plus this. It seems it's not equal. Okay, let's prove first. Let us prove first. Let us prove. So we have 54. I'm going a straight line. 50 plus 54. 54 plus y equal to 180 degree. 50 plus 54 equal to 180 degree. Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. So we have 104 equal to, plus y. Plus y equal to 180. Wow. So we have y equal to 180 minus 104. Our y is equal to 76. I wonder why this change. I wonder the change. This is 54, 50, 54. So this is the point at which you can call it a day. You solve the rest. 3b, solve 3b, 3d, and also you solve 2b and 2d. See you in our next class. Have a nice day. and stay safe.